finding the buttons on X or Twitter posts too small to like or reply? There's actually an easy way to customize your swipes where you can just swipe left or right to reply or like certain posts on X. In today's video, I will show you how to enable post swipe gestures on your X account so that you can start interacting with all the posts easily. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your X app. Tap on your profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Timeline. Tap on Post Interaction. Toggle the option on for Enable Post Swipe Gestures. You can customize the right swipe by tapping on it. Here you can see and choose from a list of actions from like to reply, repost, share, bookmark, not interested, send via chat, or no action. Once you have selected the option, tap on back on the top left. Then you can customize the left swipe as well. The list of actions is similar, so you can select it and tap on the back on the top left to confirm your choices. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me and this channel. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and